Today's video is on the top 3 best spy pen cameras. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Taozhi Portable Spy Pen Camera. Looking for a discreet way to capture important moments? Look no further than this innovative spy camera pen designed to blend seamlessly into any situation while effortlessly recording your experiences. With a single button operation, using this pen is as easy as it gets. Press the button once to start recording video, then double tap it for photo mode. Wait just a couple of seconds and a blue light will flash, letting you know the photo was successfully captured. It's a seamless and discreet way to take photos or record videos without any complex controls or settings to worry about. The camera pen doesn't just look like a regular pen, it packs impressive technology. With a built-in 1080p camera that records at 30 frames per second, this pen ensures high-definition quality for both pictures and videos. Whether you're using it for professional work or personal recording, you'll get sharp, clear visuals that capture every detail. Think of it as having a hidden HD camera that can capture anything you need, from meetings and lectures to casual daily events with remarkable quality. Worried about battery life? You'll be pleased to know this camera pen is built to last. Equipped with a 340 milliamp hour battery, it offers an impressive 150 minutes of recording time on a full charge. Need to keep it running longer? No problem. This pen supports recording while charging, so you won't miss a beat if you need extended recording time. And with a 32GB memory card slot, you can store plenty of footage. Plus, it features loop recording, which means that when the memory fills up, it will automatically overwrite the oldest files, so there's always room for new content. This makes it ideal for long-term use without the need to constantly manage storage. One of the pen's standout features is how discreetly it fits into any environment. It's a fully functional writing tool with a pen clip, so you can easily slip it into a shirt pocket, notebook, or purse. The 2mm hidden lens is expertly concealed, allowing you to record without drawing attention to yourself. Whether you're in an office, a classroom, or out in public, this pen can capture the moment without anyone noticing, making it a versatile companion in your day-to-day activities. Finally, this product isn't just about performance, it's about reliability and customer satisfaction. They believe in honesty and trustworthiness and strive to provide top-notch service for every customer. If you're not completely satisfied during your experience with this camera pen, please reach out to them. They're here to ensure that you're supported and happy with your purchase, ready to help with any questions or concerns you may have. Subscribe like you're trying to record your friends' secrets without them noticing. Number 2. Best overall, Higseeu Hidden Pen Camera. Looking for a discreet way to keep an eye on your surroundings? The Higseeu Hidden Camera Pen is your answer. This upgraded device isn't just any ordinary pen. It's designed to be a versatile and portable body cam, making it perfect for monitoring your home, office, or outdoor spaces. Whether you want to ensure your home is secure while you're away, or keep an eye on your belongings in a busy environment, this hidden camera can do it all. You can capture both video and photos without drawing any attention. And thanks to its stealthy design, it operates without any light signals while recording. That means you can record without anyone being the wiser. Using this camera pen is incredibly easy. The designers have made it user-friendly with a simple one-click operation that allows you to start and stop recording videos or take photos in no time. Just clip it onto your clothes or tuck it into a book and it's ready to go. This makes it an ideal choice for parents who want to keep an eye on their nannies, as well as for business owners looking to monitor their office environment. You can even use it to capture important moments during a meeting or a lecture without anyone suspecting a thing. One of the standout features of this pen camera is its generous 64GB memory SD card. This ample storage allows you to keep all your recordings in one place, ensuring you have access to important footage whenever you need it. The loop recording feature is particularly handy. It automatically overwrites old footage when the storage is full, so you won't miss any important moments. With this setup, You can enjoy continuous monitoring without needing Wi-Fi, which is a significant advantage. Whether you're out for the day or on vacation, this hidden nanny cam will provide peace of mind. Want high quality footage? The Higseeu Pen Camera captures clear pictures and high definition videos. Whether you're using a Mac or PC, you can easily play back your recordings. Plus, its unique hidden camera functionality allows you to take notes while recording, giving you the best of both worlds. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This body cam pen is equipped with a rechargeable battery that offers up to 150 minutes of continuous recording. That's more than enough time to capture an entire meeting, a lengthy lecture, or any important event you need to document. You can depend on this reliable hidden camera pen to capture those critical moments, ensuring you never miss what matters most. Whether you're a busy parent, a professional, or just someone looking to keep their space secure, the Higseeu Hidden Camera Pen is a powerful tool that delivers peace of mind and convenience in one compact design. Number 1. Our pick, Sirgawain Body Camera Pen. Looking for a discreet way to capture life's moments? Look no further than the ultimate camera pen by Sirgawain. This clever little gadget packs a punch with its impressive features, making it the perfect companion for anyone who wants to document their experiences effortlessly. Imagine having a tool that not only lets you take notes, but also allows you to record full HD video and snap high-quality pictures, all with just a simple one-click system. With built-in motion detection, you'll never miss a moment, whether it's an important meeting or a casual gathering with friends. Its portable design is another standout feature. This pen is small enough to slide right into your shirt pocket, making it incredibly easy to carry around. You can clip it onto your notebook or set it on your desk, and it fits seamlessly into various settings. Whether you're at the office, in a classroom, attending a college lecture, or sitting in on a conference, this pen is ready to go wherever you are. Its unassuming appearance means it blends in perfectly, allowing you to capture what matters without drawing attention. When it comes to convenience, this camera pen truly shines with its plug-and-play functionality. It's compatible with both Mac and PC devices, meaning you won't have to fuss with complicated setups. Simply plug it into your computer with the included USB cable, and you're ready to transfer your videos and photos in a flash. The included USB reader also makes it easy to access your recordings, so you can share those precious moments with friends or colleagues without any hassle. Worried about battery life? You won't have to. This pen is equipped with a fast, rechargeable battery that provides an impressive up to 70 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. That's more than enough time to capture important events, lectures, or spontaneous moments without the fear of running out of juice. Plus, recharging is quick and easy, so you can get back to recording in no time. But that's not all. This is a multifunctional pen that goes beyond just being a camera. It's designed to be your go-to writing tool, perfect for jotting down notes, sketching out ideas, or scheduling your day. The sleek design and high-quality construction ensure that it feels good in your hand and looks professional, making it a great addition to your everyday carry. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to document life's adventures, the Sirgawain Camera Pen is a versatile accessory that combines practicality and style. With this amazing tool, you'll be ready for anything life throws your way. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.